Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get maximum NotCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first what you want to do is open up your NotCoin through Telegram. So from here just type in /start and then click on earn. Now once you come to this screen, you want to click on no active pools. So as you can see, 0 per hour. And at the moment, there are no active pools. But if you're not in the pools, there's no way to mine NotCoin, because NotCoin is moving from a clicker game to something more advanced. NotCoin's new Explore to Earn model allows users to earn NotCoin as they discover Web3 products. It works like this. Project gets NotCoin from the market, added to the campaign pool, and users are allowed to complete the campaign to start earning NotCoin from this pool. So that's the way you earn NotCoin at the moment. And of course, there are different levels. You can get bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Higher level gives you access to campaigns with higher rewards.